back at another meet. Just pulled up. It's nice little FCR7. This thing is sweet. Also, videos will not be of shitty quality as of the end of this weekend because I just ordered a new GoPro with a bunch of attachments to make videos. I think make them come out way better than what they can. Not that the iPhone camera is trash. You know, the 11 Pro Max camera is a nice camera, but it doesn't. I don't know. It's when I rewatched the video on the page, it just didn't look off to me. So I went ahead and picked up a GoPro. Sweet little Miata. Walk back over here to my buddies. Buddy Ant's Mustang, you seen that before? Seen Cody's GTI.
Stop eating in fucking disease, bro. There's shit laying around.
The car came?
Two biggest douchebags in New Jersey.
Fuck you. Bro, he's got an R32 in pieces. I want to see if I got. He's got a TDI.
And he's gonna have another
GTI.
Mark IV in pieces.
All right, come here. Come talk about your car, stupid.
I'm talking about shit. FaZe already knows about my car.
I know, but I usually come over here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Go get him, Tiger.
Come on. This is Ant's WRX. Also, proper introduction is Ant, my best friend.
What's up, guys?
It's a nice little WRX. You know, almost full race car mode with dailies at Kirky. This kid, I don't know why, but nice little occasion there. All right, what's the setup? Run it down.
Full bolt on, E85, stock block, stock internals,
Okay.
stock trans.
Okay.
Limited slip. I have an 05 Legacy GT in the back.
Okay.
And then that's really it.
That's it?
Transmission bolt-ons, like, you know, little shit.
Numbers?
It made 405 on a Mustang dyno in 95-degree weather on the 85.
Solid.
The E65 blend.
Solid numbers. And I have personally driven and raced against this thing. This thing boogies. Definitely, it's impressive for what it is, especially since a year ago it was slower than a stock Civic. So it's definitely
the CTSV Brembos in the front.
Yeah, CTSV Brembos in the front. Because, you know, if you're braking power, you gotta be able to stop. But it's definitely it's coming a long way. It's got some more plans for it. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned and see what those are. Everybody's cars is like, we're all making some big moves soon. So stay tuned.
Oh shit, you better go run this.
Do it again, pussy boy.
Come on, Cody.
Damn, you really taking that? Oh, here's the best.
Oh shit.
No, this is gonna suck. Fuck that. Back it up now. Fuck this. My hair's so down.
Why are you pushing me towards it?
Because you haven't experienced it yet. Like, truly experienced.
Go, Cody!
Oh, no.
Go! Hurry up! Go, pussy!
They said you won't do it.
Alright guys, so really quickly I just wanted to throw that video together. That was from a meet from last night. Yeah, that was last night. I got some content today working on the wagon, and I will be posting that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already subscribing, tap the bell. I'm telling you, the content this summer is going to be fire. You're not going to want to miss any of it. So stay tuned.